Hey guys, it's CrownJewel here. So today is the day we've all been waiting for. I'm moving! Oh my gosh, my nose ring is out. Anyways, right now I'm in the Chick-fil-A drive-thru line. I'm starving, so I'm about to get some food. And I'm waiting on Robert over here to come take my order. As you can see, I have the boxes in the back because I've been packing and stressed. Stressed is not even the word to use. I am beyond stressed. But I get my keys from my apartment today. Ooh. Excuse me. Let me start over. But I get my keys for my apartment today. So it's really freaking lit, like for real. It's really freaking lit. I'm gonna do an empty apartment tour today. I was hoping that I would look cuter for my empty apartment tour, but this is what you get, okay? Take it or leave it. But I know y'all are gonna take it. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and order this Chick-fil-A. I've been on this health kick lately. I've been trying to be healthy. Probably gonna end up getting a salad or something. Salad at 11 o'clock. Yeah. So, yeah, I will hit you guys up when I finally make it to my apartment complex and I get the keys. I got the keys. I got the keys. Hey guys, so I'm back and look what I have. The keys. I have the keys. Keys. I got the keys. I got the keys. The keys. So
you can't be supposed to have the keys. Delete.
You're gonna be in the vlog now. Anyways. So I got the keys. I'm about to go look at my apartment and I'm about to go into the parking garage. And I am about to go do an empty apartment tour. So, this is, that looks like it. Oh, okay, well I'm gonna come back to y'all whenever I make it to. Hey, oh my gosh. Hey guys, so welcome to my new apartment. To a studio apartment, so I wanted to give you guys an empty apartment tour. So with that being said, come on in. So first, here, come on in. So first, when you walk in, I have my front door, and this is my front door, but I also have my coat closet. So my coat closet, when you first walk in, that is the first thing you see. I'm probably gonna hang some coats in here or something like that. Nothing too crazy. So after, first thing you see is my kitchen. So come on. Here's my fridge. I have my freezer and my fridge. So my fridge, a lot of space. I don't have anything in it yet. I have to go grocery shopping. Above my fridge, I have some cabinet space. I don't know what I'm gonna hold up there because I'm short as heck. So then you're gonna keep coming. I have a whole bunch of cabinet space. So I'm gonna probably put seasoning and stuff up here, cabinets up here. I have a microwave, and I have more cabinet space. I have an electric stove, and I have an oven, like any apartment does. Then I have drawers on each side. I'm probably gonna fill this up with pots and pans. So, yeah, oh, this is my favorite part. Okay, so in this cabinet, they have roll out storage, which is so cool. I love that. I don't know what I might hold bottles of like wine and champagne in there. I guess 18 or 21 and older. So in my kitchen, I have my washer and dryer room. Come on in. So they have the stackable washer and dryer in here. Looks amazing. We're gonna do a lot of clothes washing in there. Okay, gotta save my electricity. All right, and in here, this is my pantry, which is pretty spacious. I'm probably gonna have a whole bunch of snacks, cans, cleaning. I might put some cleaning supplies in here too. I might get something to hang on the door so that I can hang like my room and stuff like that. Or I might just keep it in my washroom. So the kitchen also came with a washing machine, and then under here, a washing machine? A dishwasher, oh my God. A dishwasher, oh my goodness. Y'all know what I meant. And then I have more cabinet space under here, more cabinet space, and drawers. So, that is my kitchen. So I did move into a studio apartment, so I don't have like a bedroom, but I do have a living space and a bedroom space. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the restroom after that. So my apartment is about 600 something square feet, and it actually wasn't too expensive either, so I'm excited about that. I didn't even show you guys the island. So here is my island. The sinks are pretty deep, which I love, and I'm probably gonna put like, I might get some bar stools, I might not. I'm gonna see what my budget is looking like. Anyways, so this is my island. It's so cute. I probably don't even need a little dining table because this could be my dining table. It's the water heater and my thermostat. You know, my electricity bill. Texas in the summer, it's gonna stay at 74, 73, 74. That's pretty hot. And it's not okay. Anyways, so that's that. So this is my living space area, kind of. So I'm gonna make this area kind of like my living room. So right here I'm gonna put the TV, and on this wall, I'm going to put, can you see this wall? And on this wall, I'm going to put my couch. I have a vanity as well, so I might put that up against that wall, or I might put it right here. Depending on how I'm feeling, I still haven't figured out the living space yet. So come on. We're gonna take a look at the turn, and this is my bedroom area, which I'm so excited about. I think I'm gonna put either like a curtain up here, or maybe, yeah, I think I'm gonna put a curtain right here to kind of block off my bedroom area. This is gonna be my living space, and I love my view. I don't want, should I show it outside? I might have stalkers. I'm gonna block it off, but I really have a nice view, honestly, and that natural lighting, period. So here is my restroom. Welcome to my restroom. So come on in. I love that I have a whole bunch of counter space because with all the hair products that I own, I'm gonna need it. So I have some drawers, I have a whole bunch of cabinet space, which is my favorite. I love space, if you guys haven't noticed. I have a sink, cold water, hot water, and come on. So this is the mirror. Can you see yourself in the mirror? No? It looks really nice. My cameraman side is doing a great job. So yeah, this is my toilet, my sink, and my counter area. So, oh yeah, and come on in. So this is my tub, and I'm excited because once I finally like bleach it down in like Clorox, all of that, I can take like a bath, and they also have a shower head. I can take showers as well. So I'm really excited about that. And I have a little rack to hang my towels and stuff. Okay, so for my favorite part of the apartment, y'all, is the closet. When I tell you guys, it's big. Well, it's big enough for me. So come on in. So here is my closet. I have a whole bunch of like, what are these called? Like rails to hang my clothes, and I'm gonna try to figure it out and make stuff work. So I have space. This is bigger than my closet at my old apartment. So I'm gonna have to buy new clothes to fill this up. Yay! So come on in. And oh my goodness, I love this shelving area. I'm probably going to put some cute shoes, make my my closet look really aesthetically pleasing. Maybe if I get some cute bags, I might put some purses right here or something like that. So yeah, so this is my closet. And yeah, so that is pretty much my empty apartment tour. Really excited to move in here. This is my first apartment on my own, and I did it. So I'm so excited. Hold on, let me turn off these lights. The electricity bill is a joke. Anyways, I'm really excited for my first apartment ever by myself. And once I finally get it furnished and everything like that, I will give you guys a furnished apartment studio tour. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed my apartment tour. And if you like this video and you like more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time.